How to select all columns except one in Pandas. I have a data frame that look like this. How I can get all columns except B.
When the columns are not a multi-index, df.columns is just an array of column names, so you can do
Don't use 9. It's deprecated. The most readable and idiomatic way of doing this is df.drop. Note that by default, .drop does not operate in place. Despite the ominous name, df is unharmed by this process. If you want to permanently remove b from df, do df.drop, b in place equals true. df.drop also accepts a list of labels, e.g. df.drop, a b axis equals 1 will drop column A and B.
You can use df.columns.isin when you want to drop multiple columns, as simple as